Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Just started the live. We have some time for questions or whatever. So, how is everyone doing? Good morning, Courtney. What's up, Midman? Let's see who else. Good morning, Stacy. See what Team Bull is into this morning. Good morning, Team Bull. How is everyone?
What's up, Grizzology?
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Oh. Had a nice workout. Hopefully we can have a winning trade today. Price action yesterday was horrible. Horrible. Team Bull, can you all see my screen? Did anybody take this setup this morning? I'm just curious. Not something I got to call out or anything. I'm just wondering if anybody seen the same thing. Good morning, everyone. You use code Grizzly for Apex. I appreciate that a lot.
Good morning, everybody. Let's get it.
Lance, I was talking about the. If you're looking at my.
Hey, done. Got my first ever payout approved this day. I've been trying since August with 2 funded previously. Thank you for DOD. I needed this. Let's go.
Lance in chat.
AMC, let's go.
Hello. Kicked off my my mic. That's what's up. Hello. Lance, can you hear me now? My microphone kicked off. The trade I was talking about, Lance, if you see my screen, was we had this aggressive sell-off here. Formed this fair value gap. We had a nice pullback to the midline in that previous day high for a possible short there. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Let's make some money today.
We need a big old winner today.
What's up, everyone? What was I gonna say? Oh, I'm trying out. I found another company that does the straight to funded, and I'm trying one out this week. If I can reach a payout, we'll see how it goes. And it's what's up, Jay? How's it going in the Philippines this morning? What's up, ZT? Bill, good morning. So it's got the best. It looks like it's one of them things that seems too good to be true. So I'll let you all know how it goes. If I reach, if I get a payout and they pay me, I'll let you all know. Okay. Real quick, can everyone hear me? YouTube, TikTok. Let's get the lives rolling, the likes rolling, share, ask questions, all that good stuff. Do I have any levels for SPY? I don't have any this morning, but if you only trade options, and if we take a trade on NQ, you can trade QQQ. Awesome. It's gonna be a good day. Yesterday, basically a break-even day for me. I think I was like negative 100. You all seen what price action did after we left. Horrible. FOMC, what is it today? Did I forget? Yep, you are correct. Glad you said that. I forgot myself and it was in my weekly brief. Appreciate the follow. Good morning. What's up, Danny? What's up, History? How you doing? Grizzology subscribers, did anyone catch this morning? Come on. Beautiful fair value gap. Exactly the type of setup you want you would take. What exactly are we looking at? We're looking at NQ 5-minute chart. This is futures trading. Good morning. Was that off of data, Kendall? I think the main data we have is, let me look. I'm all backwards today. My workout was good. How was your workout? As far as I know, we didn't have any data then. If we did, hopefully I didn't mess up my no way, I didn't take that on the funded. I took that on the personal. From what I can see, from what I have, there was no data there. What was the data? It's not showing up any data for me at 8:30. I may be wrong, but there was no big data that I seen at 8:30. Because with FOMC minutes or later, 9:15 we had data. Good morning. Oh, so is this small? Yeah, I don't mind to trade as long as we don't have like non-farm or, unemployment, something like that. That's awesome, ZT. Hitting the gym. Telling you, especially if you're, any age really, but you don't realize how much you will enjoy the gym as as time goes on. Before you know, it's going to be one of your favorite parts of your day. I'm going to try and trade my personal and a funded today. So bear with me. You all know how I get when I'm trying to trade multiple accounts sometimes. Alright. Good morning, me. Still time for questions. The crowd will be here about 9 minutes. So if you got any questions now, I don't know, Jersey. I don't know that one. Let me have the answer. Good morning, Tiffany. Boss DJ, how are you? What's up? There you go. It made me laugh, Jersey. Did I sleep well? I did sleep well. I got up early still, but from the time I went to sleep till I woke up, it was solid. Thanks for asking. What size trade am I funded? I trade 5 M and Q. And I'm trying a different company for us. The only reason I'm trying this, not that, there's any better than, Apex, Take Profit, or Tradify. They say the company I found, the straight to sim funded where you can skip the evals, seemed too good to be true. So I'm going to see if I can capitalize on that for one and, make sure it's legit before I share the info with you all. So if I can even reach a payout, you all know how that goes. Sometimes we hit them, sometimes we... What's up? I can't tell you the company until I see if it's legit. I don't want anyone trying a company I haven't tried myself. Appreciate the follow, Tina. Any questions? So the straight to fundeds are more expensive for sure. Quite a bit more expensive than evals. But thanks, TC. I used to have a good friend named TC when I was a teenager. Let's see. What's up, Vincent? What would you like to know about selling options? We got some time here. I can talk right up to open, and even then I'll answer questions. Morning from Nashville. How's it in Nashville, DGC? I haven't been to Nashville in a minute. Oh, the wheel strategy, Vincent. If you want to sell options and use the strategy I use, just simply search the wheel strategy. You'll find all kinds of videos and stuff. You'll understand it in no time. There's so much content out there about it. It's kind of boring, but it's steady income if you do it right. Just have to be patient. Welcome in, TikTok, YouTube. We have 5 minutes till market open. When is live trading Asia starting? Oh. Actually, give me a second. I want to see if that strategy took a trade last night. Well, if I can find it. Did I erase it? Let's see. There it is. I'm looking on the big chart in front of me here. Are you just passing through? All right, everyone, welcome in. It's almost time for the market. No, nothing going on with overnight that I see, at least on that strategy. I can check the other one later. Asia session starts at 6. The market opens back up after it closes. Welcome in. Let's start sharing it live. Let's get everyone locked in. Get them on here. If we do take a trade, no one's joining in last minute trying to chase it. Have to be extra selective with this funded account I'm trading. We have FOMC minutes today. It's not the actual meeting, it's the minutes from last meeting. Appreciate you sharing it live, Jake. ZT, everyone. All right. Everyone got their coffee in hand? Whatever you're sipping on, you ready for the session? It's time. We have 1 minute, 30 seconds. Appreciate it, Danny. Hot in Texas, you have to have the iced coffee this morning. I could drink coffee all day, I believe, if I wanted. Let me talk to Team Bull. Market's about to open. Let's lock in, everyone. Share the live. Let's get it rolling. All right, let's do this. Well, all right, let's do this, Team Bull.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
The only bounce area I would consider is that 24,708, the Asia low area. Wow.
Sorry.
Market is open.
Market is indeed open. Let's get it, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose DOD.
Jeez. You have anything you're watching off the open here, Jadon, or you're just going to wait?
Not really. I'm going to go ahead and mark out my bubbles per usual. All right. We're back.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Oh, make sure everyone sticks around to the end today. I have some accounts. Have a giveaway for the end of this live today. It's only if you like take profit trader though. That previous day point of control, hit it to a T. Wow, it pushed a low blow up, but still, solid bounce. Is take profit trader, I mean, they all have things I like, and there's some things I don't like, but I think Apex, Tradeify, and Take Profit are probably three of the best in the game. I mean, it's debatable, but still, Apex is one of the OGs. Good morning, everyone. Yes, code Grizzly if you want to try them. All caps. Apex has a 90% off sale right now, so definitely the time to try them if you plan on trying it. That's the best sale they run for the most part. Good morning. Appreciate that full port. What's some interesting price action here, right? Let's see what it does. Corey, if you have, if you feel like you're starting to go on tilt, you have a bad trade, let's talk about it in chat. We can help each other avoid tilt very easily in these lives. That should be one of our main focus, helping each other out to keep from that. Everyone has that thought. How do I avoid tilt? I just don't like losing money at this point. I've been doing it so long, it's either quit it or stop going on tilt and losing money, basically. But I just stay disciplined in my, just keep my discipline on point. It's something you have to maintain.
Pretty aggressive.
What's
I'm
up?
Currently today, everybody, if you didn't know, I'm trading at the office because my home PC is in the shop. Some of the team will HQ today, which we've had a great track record when I've had students here.
I guess you're done talking. That's the opening 5-minute candle. Let's let it settle here. We can say the right thing all we want, but we are left alone with the buttons. I mean, if we talk about it in here, I promise it's gonna help. It's gonna help. It's gonna keep you disciplined. Someone holding you accountable. What a bounce. Jesus. I would have took that short any other day, right at pre-market, but give the market more time to settle. I say the best thing we can do today is wait on the 15-minute range. Yes, it is. How's everyone doing this morning? You feeling anxious? How are we feeling? I mean, if we took it at pre-market low, that would be a trend entry. We're trying to catch the trend, right? But it's just too early. The market just needs to settle. You can see how it's being. There's too much movement right now. Give it just a second or 5 more minutes to, or however long, 10 more minutes. What is going on in Team Bull Chat? All right, Team Bull. All right. Congrats, Wes. Hopefully it's what you wanted, man. Welcome in, everyone. Well, if the 15-minute range had been in Team Bull, we would have been in shorts at that pre-market low area, but giving the market time to settle.
Yep. In a normal situation, that actually looks good.
Yeah. It's hard to judge the volume off the first 5-minute candle, you know?
Yeah.
Wow, what a rebound. I wasn't even looking at the chart.
Look over. Gene's got a whole blanket on.
Gene, is it cold in the office?
No, it's very fine. It's very fine. What is it in here? 69, 68? It's very warm.
He'll be trying to snuggle with you in a minute.
He just wants to snuggle. That's what he's doing.
That's what it is.
Oldest trick in the book. Not fooling me. Team blanket. That's good.
All right, welcome in, everyone. What's up? TikTok. I see some people joined since I've been looking away. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Or a topic we should discuss. See if we can't make some money. What confirmations do we look for before entering a trade? Depends the setup for the most part, but volume's one of our big. Delta and volume is two of the things we watch. Good morning, David. How are you? We got, like 4 more minutes. We'll have our 15-minute range in. Then we can look for entry, okay? I just hope it doesn't do like yesterday. We push up to pre-market high, then chop around. If we do that, we're going to look at some different tickers today. We may have to trade something else. I wouldn't mind to trade some options on individuals, but for the most part, we do well within Q. What's up, user? What would you like? Are you talking about inside Team Bull? What would you like different with the news? I mean, we have FOMC minutes later, but they have been very uneventful recently. Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every morning TikTok. And stick around to the end. I'm giving away some accounts. Take profit accounts. Make sure you hang out until the end. TikTok also, while we're waiting on the setup, the range is about in. We've only got 1 more minute before our 15-minute range is in. I need everyone on TikTok. I mean, you can watch the lives on TikTok, whatever, but I need you to go to my YouTube and follow as well. Because I'm always going to be live on there, you know. You can find my YouTube link at grizzlytrades.com. It's FOMC minutes. It's not the actual meeting today. Appreciate it. $15-minute range is in, everyone. So, what setup do we like best here? Let's talk about it. We got time. We need to lock in, though. I would really like to catch the trade with continuation today, if we get that type of price action. What is the setup we're looking for in this area? The highest probability. If you're new to this, it's more of a group effort in this live. We talk about the setup, so. What do we need to see here, everyone, if we plan on trying the orb strategy today? What needs to happen with this candle? We need high volume, and we need it to close above the 15-minute range. Yes. If this candle closes on low volume, above the 15-minute range, the orb strategy is invalid for me today. It's going well. It's solid, Nick. I'm just trying to get before we start live trading the Asia sessions as well, which will start at 6 p.m. Eastern. When we do, I gotta find us a strategy that actually takes more than 4 trades a month. Unless you all just want to hang out and talk on there. But it seems like the people that are actually profitable from trading Asia. I don't know if you all seen the poll I did on my Instagram, but basically everyone that's profitable, for the most part, take about 5 or less trades per month during the Asia session, which was honestly it's kind of what I thought from all the back testing I've done. Any more questions? Looks like this candle is just not gonna be what we wanted. Wow. What a move. See what Jaden's seeing.
Market low bounce. There's just a bit of risk here.
You taking a trade, Jaden?
I was thinking about longs at this 800, but I didn't take it.
What was that quick move down on that candle? You see it? Just like instant
I
move
don't know
down.
how aggressive we moved down. So, personally, just waiting.
Reminds me of the moves down we were seeing early last week when Monday and Tuesday. Oh, just one good trade's all we need, everyone. One good trade. Reminds me of a book I once read.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. And this is why, if we get this strong red, then I don't have anything.
Ooh, this is going to be a nice short entry with that candle, a retracement of it.
I can't long this. This is tough. Even if this is the higher low, we have higher volume, we close right at that pre-market low.
What is this risk on this candle?
We're still in this
31.
15-minute range, so I'll wait until we get some sort of trend confirmation. Personally, no, nothing for me yet.
Figured you would like the volume on that candle for shorts.
I don't mind it. Let's see here. It looks like a decent reversal. Let's see, 850 to 880.
A lot of risk on that candle.
850 to 840 could be an okay reject spot. Could be all right. We're just in that 15-minute range still, so everything's kind of higher risk. We don't have a lot of trend so far. We don't have a lot of direction either way. Vision, will you plug this phone in for me? Or see if we can maybe plug it into the monitor.
Welcome in, everyone. We're looking for a possible short entry up here. You can drop your thoughts on it, but it's just too much risk to enter right here. Jaden's correct. We'd have to
in this 15-minute range, guys. So
be up in this area to make it make sense from a risk to reward perspective.
If we would have gotten to move up to 840, 850, maybe would have looked for shorts. But right now, there's really no edge either way. Either way.
Stay disciplined, everyone. We gotta lock in here. We can't be making mistakes. We gotta wait on a legit setup for entry. We can't enter, too early unless it's part of our plan. All right, we're pushing up here.
My only problem with this short up here is that we're in the middle of this range.
Yeah, and we're above pre-market low as well. I hate to.
Pre-market low, yeah, we're bouncing heavy off pre-market low, so I think I gotta wait.
I agree. I'm gonna set this out as well with you. I don't like it.
I mean, it could potentially work. It's just $880. See.
Don't you just love short weeks?
It's all the short week's fault.
I'm trading personal and funded today, so wish me luck.
Oh. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just waiting. Boring trading is good trading. I know it's boring. It's good.
I got the for my funded account. I got the ATM set up for it, everyone. So when I buy in, it automatically says stop losses, take profits. I just adjust them to the trade. What was I gonna say? Team Bull asked me something. 3 to 5 MNQ is my position size on the funded, but I'm gonna go with 5 if I take a trade today. 5 MNQ. Our max stop loss, we agreed. I don't remember the exact number we agreed on, but upper 30s is pushing it for me for a stop loss. Point wise. But we don't never know the exact point, like the exact stop loss, until we get into the trade and see the setup. Well, the orb strategy is definitely invalid for me. Share the live, everyone. Let's get the locks rolling while we wait on the setup. Why is the orb invalid? Because the breakout candle had low volume. Horrible volume on that candle.
Horrible, bro.
The orb's invalid for me, what I was saying.
Even if we were to take a pullback for longs, it isn't a valid 2-bar. But even if we were to try that, we would
Here's my thoughts, everyone. We don't have to agree on this. You all can, tell me no way. But I like up around that pre-market high. See if we sweep that, right, for a possible short entry. We'll see what happens. We're just gonna watch volume and see what it gives us here. This is exactly what I hate seeing when we sweep the pre-market low and head towards pre-market high. Could be a day exactly like yesterday. We have some solid supply above though, close to that 25,000, a little bit below it.
The volume is absolutely horrible.
FOMC minutes today. Not that they're worth trading anymore, but we do have FOMC minutes.
Oh, we have minutes today?
Yeah.
Minutes is horrible these days, bro.
FOMC is horrible in general these days. Used to, we'd make a bag like nearly every FOMC. It was like a monthly bonus time.
You remember back in the day when we used to trade minutes? It was violent moves.
Yeah, and it respected SPX levels well too.
Look at that. Man, now we're going to go take out pre-market high.
I'm going to watch for a reversal up in this area. We get a high volume candle close back below it.
Might give us a 2-bar here too. It looks like volume is going to confirm.
If the 2-bar confirms, where would you look for entry, J-Don?
What do you say, bro?
If the 2-bar confirms, where would your entry be?
Oh, let's say it closed here and 2-bar confirm. At this current moment, the technical right entry would be around 915. Stops above 880. I hate that we have that 15-minute high below it.
Yeah.
But technically, you want to look for the 50% retracement of the trend-setting candle. Now, if we get an aggressive wick down, that changes things. If we sweep pre-market high, that changes things.
I think we'll catch a trade today. We'll just have to be patient.
So technically this is valid, guys. This is a valid 2-bar setup here. We may have to try it. Unless we sweep pre-market high first. If we move down into like 900.
It's going to get pre-market.
We can even do 900 with stops at like 970. Or 970, doesn't even make sense. At 870. Let's see if we can get this pullback down into this 2-bar first. If we take out this pre-market high, that's not what we want to see. You ideally want to see us move down, test into here, and then move up and take out these highs.
I don't hate that setup, everyone. It's not my typical setup, but I could see it pulling back to that whole side.
It's not what we want to see.
Welcome in. Make sure you follow Go Live every morning on here. I'm doing a giveaway at the end, so stay around. Stick around to the end. You know what I should do a giveaway with as well today?
All right. You have permission to press buy. If we go to 900, it stops at 970.
Oh. What's up? Good morning. Does anybody what? Some dude? What are you talking about? Is that not what you're looking to enter? I'm confused what you're saying. Has anybody been thinking about trying Grizzology? And just if you haven't, hold on one second. I see it set up. Sorry, I gotta lock in. Remind me to finish that sentence. This is what I'm watching this closely, everyone. I want to see if we sweep this pre-market high, and I want to see high volume reversal candle. If I don't see that, even a short appears out of question. Fair value gaps don't work. Oh, they work well for entries. Some dude. Oh, I've back tested like this. I don't use it as a strategy, but for entries at key levels, fair value gaps hit. I mean, if you want to send me the back test results, then I'll agree with you. But I like trading supply and demand on here, though. If we get the opportunity, that's my go-to. Some guy having a rough day. I wasn't gonna ban him, but Madman got rid of. Honestly, that fair value gap's looking decent to me. We haven't caught a trade yet. This price action, you can see what we've been working with here. The orb invalidated. We had a low volume breakout candle. Had decent volume on this candle, but no pullback. So now we're just waiting. What do you think about this, Jaden? Is he back yet? I don't know. Jaden, are you back?
What do you say, bro?
I said, you back? You seen this price action?
Yeah, it's no pullbacks. We might get. It's gonna be close. This volume is right on par.
Man.
That's higher risk. Technically speaking, I'm not opposed to a pre-market high bounce
61.
at 967. Stops at 937. 30 points.
Jeez. Makes it difficult with that volume, literally. Close.
Yeah, I'm not completely opposed to a bounce here. What would a overall? Here's the problem: is that if we take this bounce at 960, which doesn't look horrible, if we sweep down, I think there could be a decent bounce area in 900 as well. 900 to 930-ish. We'll see. We'll see how it goes when we get there.
62. Not a good day for entries. Same as yesterday. I'm gonna hang around till we catch something or. Remember, when you don't want to be chasing these moves up like this. As soon as you get in, it could be the where it pulls back enough for actual entry, then you get stopped out. Let's wait on a legit setup. One good trade is better than 5 small scalps. Just keep that in mind. One good trade. Getting some negative delta on this candle, so we may get that pullback finally.
Let's see, we got potential long entry at 9. You know what my worry is that if we are going to truly trend up today, is that we hold this 25,000 and then that becomes our line in the sand. We'll see.
This volume's going to be close.
This Tesla ORR might be playing out too. This Tesla actually looks decent. Pull back to 414. Stops us, we roll like 412.3.
If you end up taking it, buy a few options for me as well.
Alright. If I win, I split profit. If I lose, it's all on me.
Basically.
That's how it goes, right? I'm gonna get my option sheet.
Look at this volume on this candle. Nvidia earnings next week, the biggest earnings of the season.
What earnings are next week?
Nvidia,
Oh, yep.
the most anticipated.
Tesla got close to that 414, didn't quite get there.
Excuse me. Make sure you hit the follow. TikTok. I need everyone in TikTok. I mean, you can stay here, watch the stream, but go follow my YouTube. Trying to grow it. You can find the link at grizzlytrades.com. Thanks, Mason. Very I would be very careful trying to catch a bounce as well. We've seen what can happen. We've got to be cautious today.
I don't love that candle at the top around 25,000. I'm going to stick to my guns, and I'm going to wait for any sort of pullback. I need to see around pre-market high if I'm going to even attempt these longs.
I'm using the 50K funded. But I'm trading my personal account as well.
It's tough being patient, J-Dog. I know it's tough, but you got to work on it. Got to remember to breathe sometimes. I take way less trades since watching J-Dom and have bigger winners.
Well.
See, this is my worry, is that 25,000 is going to be our higher low. That's my worry, is this is going to be our higher low. And we're not going to get this pullback, which I'm okay with missing that move. I'm okay if this ends up being our higher low. I'm 100.
Well, see what happens. Oh, I see Thomas has entered the TikTok. Appreciate it, man. How do you manage trades intraday trailing drawdown? Just trade light size. That's the only way to manage that type of trailing drawdown, and be very selective with your trades. You don't have a crazy amount of risk. And if you do take a trade and the proper RR is there, and it's a little more than usual, just, like I said, adjust your position size. All right, Joey. Appreciate that. I was just going to say thank you, though, for everyone that used code Grizzly yesterday on Apex. Is one of my biggest days of the year. So I appreciate all the support. I know it's because they dropped the 90% off sale, but still. Well, I do appreciate it, Kayla. What type of steak? I guess I could eat some steak today. I hit some deadlifts today, pretty heavy. I'm feeling it now. Julie, my code is code Grizzly, and you can find the link at my website, grizzlytrades.com. Code Grizzly works for Apex, Take Profit, and Tradeify. I was in the steam room this morning. It's got my sinuses opened up. Oh yeah. The steam room is great as long as you don't get sick from it. Everyone decides to go in there when they got flu A through Z and give it to everyone, you know. What's up? I got my sauna together in my house, by the way. I don't know if I told you all. Jesus Christ. It's just not giving us the entry. Yeah. You just want to come and hang out in the sauna? I mean, they're all right. The infrared's all right. I still like that dry heat feeling better. I know the infrared's supposedly better for you, but I like it like 180 in the sauna. If your phone doesn't shut off in 7 minutes once you get into the sauna, it's not hot enough. That's my opinion, you know? What's up, Tiffany? What I missed? Sorry, I'm just rambling. Oh, I was gonna say, does anybody wanna? If I turn back on the free trial for Grizzology, I just want to let you all know if you wanted to get in, I can turn it on after the live's over. If you all want to try it, I guess that is one type of giveaway. Could do some bigger giveaways with it, like some lifetime and stuff. Yeah. What's Grizzology? It's my indicator you watch every morning. You all watch it on here every morning with me. That's what marks your levels, takes some of the work out of it, shows your fair value gaps. Yeah, that's right, Justin. Once you all try this, as soon as we get off this live, I'll turn on the 7-day free trial. But once you all try once you get it, make sure everyone you join the community. It comes with a community chat for Grizzology subscribers, and it has a complete user guide in text. You read it, read every bit of it. It has some tips and tricks, but supply and demand, fair value gaps, key levels. We got a divergence dashboard, all that good stuff. Who here, if I turn on the 7-day free trial, who will sign up for it today? I'm not going to leave it on past, maybe till in the morning I'll leave it on or something. You get too many people when you don't want in if you leave on the 7-day free trial sometimes. And if you try it, please be sure you understand how indicators work. Okay? If you don't, reach out to me. I'll do my best to explain it. All right, I'm gonna be watching all you. See if you sign up today. So, actually, I'm gonna go turn it on right now. We haven't taken a trade yet. We have not had a pullback for an entry, and volume hasn't confirmed. I'd like to catch a nice trade. I'd like to make some money on this funded today. Hold on 1 second. I'll give you all instructions. I'm turning on the free 7-day free trial for Grizzology right now. I'm trying to turn it on. It's not allowing me to for some reason. All right, yeah. Someone go. So I turned on the 7-day free trial for Grizzology Indicator. Go to my website, grizzlytrades.com. And can someone confirm that you see the 7-day free trial is active, because it gave me an error the first time I tried it. It's on the monthly one. Grizzlytrades.com, you can find access to Grizzology there. And if you're going to use the 7-day free trial, I need you to get in today. Like I said, I will turn it off. So, we don't get a bunch of people we don't want in there. Thank you. It's working.
It can be a good investment long term.
Come on, NQ. Pull back.
What is this?
Literally on horrible volume, too.
ICT versus DOD, bro. If ICT and
I don't know. I'm going to hang around here. I'd like to catch a trade, everyone. If you want to hang out with me, you are more than welcome to stay. Yeah, Nate. Ryan says, I got to do leg day after this. Take as long as you want. I feel that, Ryan. You might accidentally slip and land on the bench or something. If you're lucky, Once you're there, you just have to hit a push day. Oh no. Is it better to do the 7-day free trial, get half off the first month? Well, Kayla, if you do a 7-day free trial and you don't like it, you can just cancel. But if you do NQ for 50% off the first month, you're going to pay $35. It's whatever you like. Real quick, I'm going to repeat that one more time. I turned on the 7-day free trial for Grizzology indicators. Everything you see on the chart besides the volume at the bottom is Grizzology. Go to grizzlytrades.com if you want to try it. I will turn it off probably when I go to bed or when I wake up in the morning. So, you heading out, Danny? Have a good day, Red. Heading to Myrtle Beach. Welcome in, everyone. There's just no pullbacks. So to know where that makes sense to enter, you know? Appreciate the follow, bro. His name's literally is bro, so I wasn't just calling him bro. His username's bro. Welcome in. I just want to trade this morning. What about you all? Do you see any other setups on futures? I mean, we don't. I mean, you don't just buy in at market open, you know? You gotta wait for a legit setup. The volume just keeps lowering. Is it just gonna climb all day on low volume? I mean, yeah, if we took longs off the open, we would be up nice, but there was no reason we didn't have confirmation. We don't take trades based off what we think. We have actual strategies we follow. Very. Yeah, if you full port off the open, you either come back to a blown account or you can retire. But a lot of times it will blow your account before you can retire. If we can have a legit setup, I'll walk you all through it the best I can. Make it as educational as possible today, okay? Alright, man, looks like you got someone in the YouTube. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if they've been religious or what. There's so many. Alright, gone. I'm not sure what was going on there, but I didn't like it. How do you access the indicator after signing up? You claim it through the TradingView tab. Once you get the WAP app, you'll have like just like tabs in a Discord. Same thing with Grizzology. You'll see TradingView. You go there. There's a video walks you through how to access it. I will say this is people have the best luck without issues using their desktop to claim it, but you can use it, you know, on the TradingView app on your phone or desktop.
5,000 for slide me a band. I'll slide you a winning trade. I can do that. Show.
Who said that, Brendan?
I'll watch pre-market high for a retest, guys. If we look at our overall 50% retracement of the day, it's not for a while. It's down at about 900.
All right, I'm watching for a trade. Watching for a trade. Quick question. Where do you all think the best entry would be here for a long entry? What number? Also, include stops, because when we talk about this, we gotta have a setup that makes sense, right? It's gotta have the proper risk reward. No, we can't set our stops at pre-market high, because that could very well be where we push to. If we take a trade anywhere, I mean, 980, you can see you're gonna have like 40 points worth of risk if you take an entry at this midline and set your stop at the bottom of that candle. 42. I agree, Slag. I think a sweep of pre-market high. I mean, what is that? It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Pre-market high is the area I like, close to it. You can take an entry at that midline, but I wouldn't put my full size on there, everyone, because that will be more drawdown than we talked about. Pre-market high would be, we're looking for a long entry only right now. Nothing telling us otherwise. What does that sound? Delivered a package. Sound like that dude threw it from the road to the porch. Yeah, if you have any questions, drop it in the chat here. Come on. We need further down than this. Is it your birthday today? Happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing day. We'll see. I want to trade.
We got a key level right here, guys. If you're looking at
Bro talking in fast forward again. Good morning. Welcome in. Is it gonna stay above 25,000? Good. We'll see though. I'm gonna hang around and see what it does because I would like to catch a trade. Only if it confirms though. You doing all right, Austin, this morning? Let's talk about it, man, before you take any more trades or anything. If you feel like you're on tilt, just first off, lock yourself out of your broker. And definitely, if you are, I'm not saying you are, but if you are, make sure you document it. It helps to see when you're doing something wrong consistently. It can help you fix it. So if we never journal our trades or emotions, how if we're making constant mistakes, how will we know if we can't see it? How are we gonna fix it if we never acknowledge it? So. Yeah, that trailing threshold is no fun at all for sure. Oh, I hear the train. Can you all hear the train? Welcome in. This short week price action for you.
I can be lame done sometimes when I'm being boring, but boring makes you money. People can call me boring. That's fine. But I'm making you money,
Yeah.
getting you paid. You'll like boring.
Well, the train is not close to my house. It just my house is up high, you know. You can hear it good in my office, but the rest of the house you can't. Which I don't mind it, honestly. What's up, Charger Man? Is everything okay over there? What's going on? Pull back some. You good over there, Jaden?
I'm losing my mind.
You alright?
I'm losing my marbles.
What I'm being told. Figured I'd check on you.
This price action is making me go bananas. This price action is making me go cuckoo. What am I supposed to do with this? Maybe we sweep this high and now we move down? We'll see. Doing DOD today. This is an exact replica of...
I think we're all a little bit crazy. Low key, you know. We all have a crazy side to some point. I think my crazy side comes out when I'm working on a big project. That's all I can focus on until it's done, you know. This 5-minute time frame, Julie. Yes. Any questions? We got time. No setups even close at this point. What is up with TikTok today? I'll look over, we'll have like a ton. I'll look back, everyone's gone. You getting bored or what? I guess I am boring. You joined Grizzology, but not for sure how to download it. So, Matthew, you have there's first off, I recommend getting the WAP app, but there's a Trading View tab inside Grizzology community. You go there and claim it. It has a video that walks you through it. I don't know about that one, history. I've never seen that before. No, it's for Trading View. And remember, if you have issues setting up Grizzology, you make sure you utilize wap.com. Use their support; they'll help you set it up. Just make sure you go through their website for the customer service. I've got a meeting sometime this morning. I don't remember the exact time. Yes, it does. Patience pays. Danny, use Tradify. Go Grizzly, man. See how you like it. Yes, it does, Austin. It's always good to have a trait like that. You will never starve if you do. In most cases. You have to get the 7-day free trial history. Did you already sign up? It should allow you to use the user guide to access it. Mm-hmm. Well. All right. Also, make sure you utilize the community chat inside Grizzology. Have a good day at work, Justin. Thanks for hanging out, man. How'd you get muted on TikTok? I'm not for sure what happened. Wasn't me, Thomas. I blame Medman. It was Medman's fault, Thomas, not mine. Thomas just minding his own business, Medman. Got rid of him. Make sure you hit the follow. I don't think I could ever be one of them guys that just stream for no reason. You know? I don't see how people do it, just hang around not doing anything. I feel like as soon as I get off here, we're gonna get some kind of confirmation. Make sure you stick around, everyone. I still haven't done the giveaway yet. I'm gonna repeat this one more time. I opened up the 7-day free trial for Grizzology indicator you see on the chart here. Go to grizzlytrades.com if you want to try it out, but please, if you're going to try it, make sure you understand indicators, how they work. If you don't, at least do a little research before you join. That way, you know, not throwing away money or anything. Sarah, thanks for the likes. I felt that also. Should we go ahead and do the giveaway? So, they should all be fine, Slack. All the ones on my website. All right, everyone. I'm going to tell you all how this works. So I'm going to give away some 150K take profit accounts, okay? And if I give you one, you have to go to my Instagram, which is at grizzlytrades.com. You can find a link there to my Instagram. Send me a DM, and in that DM, it has to have your email that is associated with Take Profit. So if you don't have a Take Profit account, create one before you message me and send me the email. Everyone understand that? I'm going to pick from a YouTube side first because I picked from TikTok last time. All right. I can't keep up. The chat's moving so quick. Let's see here. All right, I seen someone. I'm just gonna do like a random roll here. Orb is king. You are one of the winners from YouTube. Now it's time for TikTok. Sarah Cake Studio. You can have one. Should I give away one more today or save it for another day? I'm having a hard time getting some more Apex codes. I think they put a hold on them for a minute. All right. I'm just gonna do a random scroll here in the chat. Wherever it stops, that's who's getting it, okay? Let's see here. My chat keeps freezing. I apologize. Mikey on TikTok. Mikey VDRES 1671. DM me. So I gave away 350K take profit accounts. That is all. That is all today. Oh. Well, is it time to call it, everyone? I don't think we're going to get a trade. Keep in mind it is a short week, so. Yep, I think the best thing we can do is call it, everyone. No setup, volume's not doing well today, so. I'll see you back here in the morning, though. Spread the word about the lives. Oh, and if you're going to get Grizzology, the 7-day free trial, we'll turn that off. Like I said, either when before I go to sleep tonight or when I wake up.